Can I get a 3 McChickens?
Okay.
And a large Coke. No, wait. Yeah, Coke.
What the fuck, dude? This isn't an animal shelter.
Do you guys
Shut the fuck up, man.
Shut up! Shut the fuck up! I want a Happy Meal.
Large Coke. Are we good?
Give me 1 second, okay?
We could. Bro, I thought you said we were getting fucking pizza, man.
I want pizza! It's Pizza Hut!
No, it's not.
We're not at Pizza
It's
Hut!
McDonald's. It's an M, you retard.
What happened to Chipotle?
That stands for Manly Pizza.
Bro, this isn't an animal shelter. I want to be some fucking kittens,
You're
bro.
so soft.
Cut me some fucking kittens.
Why are you so soft? Why are you so soft?
Can I get a cat burger?
Huh?
Go ahead when you're ready.
Go ahead when you're ready.
Illuminati.
Go ahead
Illuminati.
when you're ready.
Do
Illuminati.
toys!
Shut the fuck up.
Illuminati.
Alright.
They're not gonna.
Hey, I'm pretending to be your son.
Shut up.
Shut up, Bobby.
Bro, they know we're not. They know you're not his son.
They clearly know. You don't even look like that.
Daddy,
You're not brown enough.
did you give me the Happy Meal?
I was like, you should just put your hand like that. No, like that. The other way. It's like, shut the fuck up! But like, you gotta make it clap. Put your hand up like that. Like, no, man. Because it. Damn.
Mom!
Go. You do it. No, you ain't go.
Like this?
Yeah, the lady. Be like, do it. Like, shut up! Shut up!
And we all just start bitching. Shut the fuck!
What are you saying? Okay.
That's so not obvious.
Be asleep.
Right? It's so not obvious, bro.
Wait.
So not obvious. They're not.
Hey.
My leg is big.
What would you order? 3 McChickens?
Yeah, and a large Coke.
A large Coke?
Yeah. Like, you cute, baby. Is that John?
Yeah.
Where? Right in the thing. What the fuck? How much? 5'9"?
Oh my god, this is gonna be the fucking greatest.
You just keep it. Let's go.
How old are you?
Hey! Shut up!
Whoop your
Shut up, Yanko! Hey, give me the knife! I'm cut his eye!
John, put his fucking head out the window.
Look what we did to his eye!
Shut up, Bobby. Damn. Hey, what up, boy?
What's up, fuck,
Get your ass fired!
His ass fired today.
Motherfucker!
So we gotta get him in the camera.
Is he even getting the food?
No, watch him like be.
Don't spit in it, cuz.
Nobody
Watch him
would.
shit in your food. Why'd you take like an hour to bring out any shits
Watch
in
him
your
like
food?
sneeze on your bun, dude.
You're cracking.
Hey, John!
It's
It's my straw!